Alright, so I'm here in beautiful, well, I'm in Cincinnati. Where I'm at, I'm right outside of Clifton, in the north side of Cincinnati, and we're restoring a very uniquely shaped deck that kind of bends around the house. The cool thing about Clifton is everything in Clifton is customized, right? So you have all these old houses that have been converted into like 3 or 4 apartments, right? And it's a very artsy place, and also it's a very customized place. This neighborhood, Clifton and Northside, they've done very well at taking what they had and adjusting it to their new life, right? So the University of Cincinnati is what drives that new life, okay? The need for more housing, right? So we have these big, gigantic, massive houses that were built at the turn of last century, designed for one family. We got 1,000 of them spread out around here. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to take them and we're going to quarter them off into 4 different apartments, right? So it's this ingenuity that exists here in Clifton and in Northside that I've always been drawn to and I've always been addicted to, right? A lot of you don't know this. I cut my teeth in Clifton in the restoration and painting business, working on these old houses, working on these old rentals, right? So this is this area is very near and dear to me. So when I got a chance to restore a deck here, I jumped all over it just because I love the area, right? Take a look at some of the action that's going on early this morning. We have a deck that it's just an old deck. It's old, it's sun damaged, it has a lot of mildew and algae growth. It may need a few boards replaced. Parts of it are kind of warped and shifting, and so we're adding some braces to it, shoring it up, just making it all better is what we're doing. Deck restoration painting, or what we call deck rescue painting. We're here in Clifton today to rescue this deck and save this family from having the massive expenditure of either wood replacement, coming in and just stripping the deck down to bare bones and then coming back over with new wood, or composite replacement. We're here today to save them of that expense, and I'm super excited. Today we're doing maintenance and cleaning. Check out some of the action. I'm Anthony Ford. Visit Kong Armor at www.kongarmor.com.